Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the game My Garage. And here at the BSC Garage, thank you very much for watching. If you like everything that's going on in these types of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and definitely hit that thumbs up for me. So how are all of you this morning? If I sound a little funny, it's because I got a bit of a chest cold, just getting over a head cold. So, yeah. A few changes have happened. We moved to a different save, but I brought everything from every other save to this side. So, as you can see, the paint booth is now back to normal. The house over there is gone, and this is a double wide now. So, with all of that, I moved the cars. Obviously, I brought cars over from the different games, kind of consolidated everything. So all the cars are now parked down on the dock, which is where I'm going to be doing basically a show and shine type thing. So the two cars from here, this save, or a few cars from here, the truck is here and the wheels are back on it. I've got the blue Charger as well, and I did finish off the black and purple Coronet. From the other save, I brought over the 68 Camaro convertible, I brought over the 62 Impala, and I did bring over, I'm going to say roughly 66, 67 Ford truck. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not big on the Fords, so I don't know the exact year. So everything that I finish is going to be over here, and we're going to kind of make it as a show and shine down here. So that's where it's where all the cars are going to sit from now on, unless we're driving them, right? So give me a second. I'm going to go back up to the shop. Okay, here back at the shop, I'm working on a Coronet here. This one is basically just pure stock, but it was in an accident, so we've got everything torn off. That's all the old parts over there. New parts are have been delivered. We got them ordered, and I spent last night painting up the other parts that needed to be painted, so everything's over here being painted, so that's all ready to go. Now again, from the other save that I was playing, the other game I was playing, I brought this car over to this one, so we also have this one. And where we're at with this one's being built for the stepson and the way he wants it, so he wanted green with black trim and black interior. He hasn't decided on an engine yet, so we haven't bought a hood either, depending if the engine sticks through the hood or not. So, you know, we're going to have to figure that out afterwards. So we've got that one here. I also brought over one of my shop trucks, so that is here. Right, and, you know, now we got a parts runner. I have been searching around the different racetracks and stuff and buying up abandoned race cars, also some that come up for sale in the market. So I've got one over there ready to come over to the shop here, and I've got two race cars sitting here. Now these are just the old-timer dirt track race cars, so we're going to restore them up. We got the 65 Mustang sitting here. No motor in it. Alright. Of course, somebody took out the race motor, so we'll have to build a race motor for it. And of course, clean everything else up. And probably replace any parts that are missing. Here we've got the 69 Charger, the RT. And this one does have a motor, but a lot of parts are wore out, burnt up, ready to be changed. So we'll get that one all completely rebuilt. And they didn't gut this thing, so I think we're going to kind of turn it into a full street or a full race car. So we'll end up gutting the door panels and stuff like that, probably get rid of a lot of the glass, and we'll go from there. Looks a little funny with the color scheme that they had, but we'll probably get rid of this stripe, clean all this up, replace any floor panels that need to be replaced, you know, from sitting around. And I've heard of a couple of other cars. They're sitting down at another racetrack over there, so eventually we'll end up getting them. So I think today, in today's episode, we're going to get back to work, or I'm going to get back to work on putting this thing back together. Hopefully we can get that done in this episode. Shouldn't take us very long. I think I've got pretty much everything ordered, but there might be a couple of things here and there that will still need to be ordered. The engine itself is fine. Like I said, it was just in an accident, so I've got the engine propped up because, you know, obviously I've got the whole engine cradle out. So we'll get that inner fender put on, welded in, and we'll get the cross member up front here put in so that the engine has its own support again. So right off the bat, what we need is this inner fender. So we're going to put this into place here. All right, get that in. Need the welder. Okay, so there we have it. We've got the inner fender on. We put in the rad support, got that all welded in. We put the engine brace in, or cross member. So that is in. Engine is now bolted in. So everything is nice and solid there again. So next thing I'm going to do is we're going to grab all these suspension parts. Now I've got some stuff here. And we got a whole bunch of stuff up on here. So I'm going to do another quick little time lapse here. We'll get all this suspension stuff put on, and then we'll look at the rest of the body and framework that we need, and we'll get that done. So here we go. there you have it. So we've got the full front suspension in. All right, everything is new that needs to be new, and everything is bolted in. So now what we can do is we can get all the front end framework in. We can go get the fender, lower, upper and lower valance, all that stuff, front bumpers. Something I forgot to do. Where is it? I forgot. Let's take this, put it up here. I forgot to paint this. So we're going to quickly take this over there while we pick up a part or two. Okay, so we've got some magically masking tires, so we don't have to worry about masking off the tires. So still got the color in there from last night. Make sure we got the back side here. There we go. So we'll just let that dry. Yeah, we'll grab the front fender first. Probably be easier if I actually opened up the front, the other door. So we're just going to put this down here for a second. We're going to lower the car back down. So there you go. As you can see, we got her all done. So now we'll let this thing completely down. We'll get the arms out of the way. Probably double check to make sure that the all the lights still work. I know I put new light bulbs in, what, 3, 4 of them, right? But yeah, we should just double check. Looks like all the gauges came up. Okay. Let's get this thing backed out of here. Okay, there we go. So I can call up the customer now, and he can come and pick this thing up. So I think we might just leave it at a shorter episode today for you. But I think in the next video, I might even try to get this thing closer to being finished. I think all the interior and everything, yeah, all the interior's done. And I'd have to double check, but I think he's got the engine ordered. Even though I mean, I build engines here, but I think he ordered a crate engine for it. So we're going to get that done. We'll get the headlights in, signal lights, tail lights. I think the tail lights might be done already. Yeah, tail lights already done. Still needs just the oddball things here and there. Once we have the engine, we can figure out the hood. So this thing here, I mean, right now we're looking at $12,528 worth, you know. So it's going to go up. And this customer's car, I mean, this thing is cherry. It's mint condition, especially now after, you know, we got done repairing everything for him. All right, so here it's valued at $32,746. We got 5-star condition right across the board. So we're good to go. So you can come and pick that up, you know. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Should we get to work on some of these race cars? Should we try to find something else? You know, just finish this one up. Yeah, let me know. Love to know what your thoughts are. If you have any suggestions or anything, please leave your comments and thoughts down below. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that bell notification. Make sure you got all notifications turned on so you don't miss out on anything. If you like these videos, hit that thumbs up. Even if you don't like, hey, hit the thumbs down, but make sure you leave a comment on why you don't like it so that we can improve the videos for you, right? I think that's about it. Hey, if you want to help out the channel in any way, I do have a PayPal me link. I do have the join button, and I do have the merch store, so you can go check out those links down below. And I also have a Facebook group and a Instagram, so you can go check them out. I post things there quite often. So, with all that being said, no matter what you're doing, just always have fun with it. And until next time, later, my friends.